for the more. Okay, translate the third one first. Agasami Saguna. Agasami Sagunas. So the subject of this phrase. Subject of this phrase. Saguna, right? What does this mean, Saguna, in English?
It's bad.
Birds in English, right? This bird, one bird or two birds?
Many birds,
plural. Okay. Sakuno, sakuna, right?
Right.
Accusative case, plural. Sakuna, birds, right? Okay, birds. Birds call for the place, right? Call for the location. Where the birds call for the location, where so exactly this case of the agasami. Yeah, agasami, the case or the vipatti of agasami is locative case or satami vipatti, call for the location where the birds
on the sky.
Where the birds on their sky, right? The birds on the sky. Oh, how can I write? Let's me delete this one first. The birds on their sky. On, right? In, on, and. So this one, it should be on their sky. Finish this phrase. Finish the translation of these Pali terms. The birds on their skull. Yes, please.
Sorry. During the exam, are you giving the meaning of the vocabulary, or do we have to memorizing all the vocab?
The vocabularies. Yes, why not? The vocabulary of the Pali now already declined. Like this one, the Agasamhi Shakuna. So I try to find the vocabulary that already passed your eye, okay? Already passed your eyes. I try, but maybe not the same case. For example, Akasa, the sky, right? The original term of Agasami is Agasa. The original terms of the Agasami, Agasa. Decline the same, Nara, this one. And with stems. Agasa, but yes, the term Agasa, the sky, but the case may not from the located case. Like this. This is what I said, the term that already passed your eyes. Already passed your eye, or the term that already learned in the class. Okay, the term that already learns, or term that already presented to all of you, but not the same case according to 8 cases, right? Not that same case. For example, agasa, not agasamhi, maybe agasam, or maybe agasasma. Agasas means something like that. The case we change, not the same case. Okay, had it.
Okay ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
All right, next, Puttasa Dhammo, the Dhamma of the Buddha. Easy, this one. The Dhamma of the Buddha is called for the owners. Dhamma call for the owner. So this is from the case number 6, right? Possessive case of. Possessive case of. Alright, next. Manjesu manusa. Manjesu manusa. Translate the subject first. This is subject in the 10th sentence. Subject in the sentence singular or plural. All of you must know before translation. Before translating this manusa, you have to know a singular or plural from which case. Accusative case, plural, right? Okay, manusa, what does this mean, manusa, in English? In the translation?
Man.
Manusa.
Human.
Human beings.
Humans beings. Plural. Human beings. What's about manjesu? From which case first, singular or plural, manjesu?
Locative case.
It's
Plural.
but.
Plural.
Manjesu from
Located case.
right, is called for the location where human beings, where manusia, right? Manjesu, what does this mean, manjesu?
On the chair.
On the back.
Manjesu.
Chair.
Pita.
Inside.
Manja. Pita mean
Bed.
chair. Manja mean
Chair is
bed,
bed.
not chair. Okay? On the beds. 2 beds, not 1 beds. Humans on the beds. Humans on the beds. So these all 2 terms are plurals or are in plural forms. These 2 terms. Okay, next, number 6. Asanam bata. Asanam bata. This is anam, right? Not anam. Case ending of noun, not accusative, not subject
Accusative.
in this verb.
Singular. Yeah.
Bata. This is
Others is plural form of.
in the sentence plural, right?
Yes.
Plural. What's the translation of bata?
Is food.
Bata. Plural. Plural.
Feet.
Plural. Feet.
Yeah, feet.
Right? Feet.
Yeah.
Feet. What agasanam's
Horse.
case? What agasanam case?
Accusative. Yeah.
Asa.
Case.
Asana.
Agasanam case.
Possessive.
Possessive. Yeah. That's his case.
Possessive case.
Possessive case.
It call for the owner of feet, right? The owner of feet. So it should be of. Asanam singular or plural, right?
Yes.
What is translation?
Horse.
Feet of
Horse.
The horse. The horse.
their horse.
Horse.
Feet of the horses. Feet of the horses because the plural forms. Plural form. Okay, this is translation. This you can translate directly. Number 4, the Dhamma of the Buddha. Easy one, the number 4. Okay, next.
Ajahn, I have a question. So the 4 sentences, there are no verbs, right? We just use like noun and
no verb.
adjective.
No verb. It's not complete the sentence. We
Okay.
can say that this is the phrase, or we can say that this is the linkatha. Linkatha in Pali. Linkatha in Pali means the sentence without verbs. Sentence without verbs, or the sentence no verbs, no verb in the sentence. It is can call the sentence but not complete sentence. The complete sentence should be the verbs, subject, and the verbs there. This called complete sentence. This one not complete sentence, but it's belong to it can be the sentence, but not complete sentence. Translate to English again. This one together. This is complete sentence. Complete Pali sentence. Nara demands. Nara demands. And then go to the verbs. Pasanti.
See.
Pasanti see, right? Nara demands pasanti see. Pasanti see what? Call for the object.
The sun.
Citizens. Nara demands pasanti see. Suriyam, the sun. Beginner translate. The beginner must say Pasanti see Suriyam, the sun. This is for the beginner translate. For the beginner translation. For the intermediate or advanced, you no need to mention the term Nara. Go directly to the main citizens. The main citizens. Go directly to translate the main citizen. No need to mention Nara, the main, Pasanti, see, Suryam, the sun. This is the way of translation for the beginners. The beginners to know that term translate first, and the second should be that one, the third, that words. The first word, the second word, and the third word in the sentence. So the beginner must always mention word by words of the Pali terms. Word by words of the Pali terms. And this form for the intermediate, this one, for the intermediate, the main citizens. For the intermediates or the advanced translation, the main citizen, we need to mention the Pali words. Okay. When we analyze this sentence, right? We can analyze as follow. Nara, right? Nara subject in the sentence plural. Pasanti main verbs. Pasanti main verbs in the sentence. Plural, the same subject, right? The same subjects. Suriyam, this term, accusative case.
Object.
Accusative case in the sentence. In the sentence, I can connect these three terms according to the relationships. Nara related to Pasanti.
Pasanti.
Both of them related together. Or we can say that Nara and Pasanti related together according to the Sampanta. And then Pasanti related to Suryams, or both Pasanti and Suryam, both Suryam and Pasanti related together. Related to each other. You see, this is the relationship in the sentence when analyzed. Is cause the learner or lead the learner to clearly understand the structure of Pali terms or the relationship word by word in the sentence. In the sentence, Suryams not according to the sentence not related to Nara, are related to Pasanti only. Relate to Pasanti only. Okay, you see now, when the students or when the learner analyze and connect words, two words, which one related to which one, it leads all of you to clearly understand the Pali sentence. The Pali sentence. When it's connect together, it's always say that Nara, subject, and plural in the sentence related to Pasanti. Pasanti verb plural verb Pasanti, like this. Suryam Suryam accusative case, like this. Suryam accusative case related to Pasanti. This is the way of analysis, way of Pali sentence analysis. Okay, let's go next. Translations. All of you see the way of translates, right? Kona, the options. Kona, the options, plural. And then go to the main verb, titanti. Titanti, stand, right? Titanti stands. Pasane, on, stand on. This is a locative case, right? Pasane, locative case, singular, stand on the rocks. Stand on the rocks. The corner, the options, titanti, stand, pasane, on the rocks. This is for the beginner translation. And the analysis, kona related, kona singular plural related to titanti, main verb plural. Pasane, locative case in titanti, you see. Locative case in titanti or locative case related to titanti. This is the relationships of this sentence. Let's see for the intermediate and advanced translation become like this. The absent stand on the rock. The absent stand on the rock. No need to mention kona, titanti, pasane. No need to mention it for the intermediate and advanced. This all of you translate together. There is no the word that translated. There is no the word translated. All of you have to translate by yourself. Let's translate together this sentence. This sentence, the first sentence, sorry, the third sentence. Manuso kame jarati. Manuso kame jarati. Manuso, subject in the sentence, right? Manuso, subject in the sentence, singular, nominative
case.
from nominative case.
Singular.
What is translation? Manuso, human, right?
Human. Yes.
Human beings. Human beings. Singular forms, okay, the subject singular forms, human beings, and then go to the main verbs. Charati, what does this mean, Charati?
Go.
Charati. Charati. Charati,
Go or
charati.
visit.
What is? Huh? No, not visit.
Go.
Not visit. Not visit. Is from which root? This one, Jara root.
Jara.
Right?
Root is Jara.
Jara root. The case endings of present verb or present tense.
Yes.
Jara root to what?
Jara and D.
Jara root to what? Eh? Jara root to travel. Right?
To travel. Yeah.
Okay, to travel. So this means this one travel. Travels kame.
Village.
Travel kame.
To
To kame, of kame, on kame,
village.
into kame. Right?
Village.
This is locative case. Is called for the location where he traveled.
To the
Travel to or into, okay? Travel to,
Village.
Village.
yeah,
Village.
this one I put into, okay? Into the
The village.
village. Okay, this is the complete translation of this Pali sentence. Manaso kame jarati. Human being travels into the village. Human being travel into the village. Understand, right? It makes sense. He traveled to village or into the village. It makes sense. Correct Pali sentence and the translation also makes sense. Okay, let's see number 2 and number 4. Number 4. Number 4, the subject is
bird.
singular or plural. This one you should know. Singular or plural.
Singular.
singular.
Okay, one bird, right? Singular.
A
bird. Birds. Then go to main verbs.
Live.
Main verbs. Main verb in the sentence. What is mean? Si nisitati?
Sit.
Nisitati. Okay, nisita. You can understand directly. Nisita, to sit.
Yes.
Nisita, to sit.
To sit.
This root. Okay, nisita, to sit. Okay, sit. Sit. Is this correct? Sit? Correct or not correct? Sit?
Not correct.
S. S.
As. Don't forget the singular. A bird sits. Locative case, right? Call for location on
The
the
tree.
rock. Complete the translation of this one. No matter what sits, the term sit on the rock, bird sit on the rock is make sense or not. More makes sense or not, but it's correct according to the translation. It should be a man sit, right? A human being sits. Birds should not sit, right? But according to the Pali sentence is correct. Complete all sentence. A little bit it meaning not more makes sense, right? Not more makes sense. But we can explain in terms of sit here. What does this mean? We can explain more. This one. Number 5. Putto dhammam pasati. Putto dhammam pasati.
Buddha.
Translate Putto first, and then this is second, third. Okay. First, third, second. First, third, seconds. or first, second, third. So after say first, third, second, and then translate. The Buddha, right? The Buddha. The Buddha what? The Buddha.
Preach.
What the Buddha? What
Preach.
the Buddha actions?
Preach.
Pasati, right? The Buddha actions. Pasati, what does this mean? Pasati?
Taught or
Teacher.
preach. Preachers or talk.
Speak, right?
Dhamma.
The Buddha speaks.
Speak.
The Buddha speaks. Speak what?
Prudent.
Dhamma.
Speak what?
Dhamma.
Speak the Dhamma, you see. Correct the sentence or complete and make sense. Complete translation and make sense. The Buddha speaks the Dhamma. Or you may say another term, preach the Dhamma. Preach the Dhamma. Okay, number 6. Number 6.
Vatani. Aharami.
Rami.
You see, when we talk about the persons, when we talk about person,
First person.
show which person now?
First
person, you see. Show or me show first persons. Number 3 to number 5, third person, you see. Third person, all of this exercise show third person and first person. There is no second person. There is no second person. So now you see the first person. Aham Vattami Aharami. You know, right? This is subject in the sentence. When we see aham or when we see me, subject of the sentence is aham. Subject of the sentence is aham. What does this mean, ahams? I, singular, not plural. Aham mayam, right? Me and ma, but this one is singular. Aham mi mayamma. Aham mi mayamma. Aham, and then go to the main verbs. Main verb in the sentence is aharami. Aharami from which root? Ahara root, right? Exactly, hara root, just only the prefix a at that, you see. Exactly is from hara root. Hara root, drop prefix a, hara to lead. Hara to read, right? At the prefix before hara become ahara, become before ahara to bring, you see. It change the meaning. Hara roots, it change the meanings. So here, understand, after complete, all of you can understand that to bring, okay? To brings. To bring. So here I bring.
Yeah.
I bring what?
The closest.
Bring the clothes, right? Vattani, the clothes. From accusative case, say accusative case plural. Ami, you see. Ami. Ami. This term decline according to which gender? This one, this term Vattami.
Neutral.
Decline according to which gender?
It's neutral. Neutral.
Masculine, neutral, masculine, feminine, or neuter. This one decline according to which
Neutral.
gender? Neuter gender. Okay, Vattha. The original term Vattha the same kamma,
Yes.
right? The same kutta, you see. It show quality thing, not show a man, not show woman, you see. It should be neutral genders. Bring the clothes.
Clothes.
The clothes, singular, plural.
Plural.
Form, right? Complete the sentence. Complete the sentence. I bring the clothes. Complete the sentence and also make sense. Make sense. Okay, this for example, 3 from the third persons, 1 from first person. First person sentence. Third person sentence 3, third person sentence, 1 first sentence. 1 first sentence. When we talk about the 4 important parts of the verb conjugation, Pali verb conjugation, right? 4 important parts. What is the tense of the first one? The tense of the first one. What is its tense?
Present tense.
Yes,
Present tense.
present tense. Present tense. What about the voice?
Active voice.
Voice or a passive voice? Active voice, you see. This is show active voice. What's about the plural? Singular or, sorry, what's about the number? Singular or plural?
It's singular.
Singular, you see. What's about persons?
So the
Third.
third person.
Person
Third
or
person.
Patama Purisa.
Patama Purisa. Yeah.
Patama Purisa or third persons. Okay, you see, 4 important parts of the conjugate rules of the verb consonants. You can analyze, all of you can analyze like this in each sentence. If miss once, miss, for example, no present tense. Sorry, no person, right? No Patama Purisa, no third persons. This sentence incomplete. The sentence incomplete. Not complete sentence. The sentence. So the 4 important parts, all of you must remember. It helps you to correct the sentence. Help you to correct the sentence. You can check your sentence correct or not by asking where the tense or what is its tense, what is its voice, right? What is its voice? Exactly, this one it should be T, right? Tense. V, voice, right? Number, right? It should be this one, number. And then person, P. TV and P, okay? TV and P, T tense, V voice, and number, P persons. Analyze by put the question, what is it tense? What is it voice? What is its number? What is its person? In each sentence, okay? Try to put this question to check that sentence you are right, correct, or not. And also the case ending. Sorry, 8 cases. All of you have to check it. 8 cases, check it. What is its case among 8 cases? Right? What is its number, singular, plural? Right? This is you have to check in the sentence. Then your sentence will be completed once. will be the complete sentence, the completed sentence. Okay, let's go next translations. This is assignments. Assignment. Let's do together now. Do together now, and then after finish today class, all of you can review by yourself again. Conjugate the following verbs. Conjugate the following verbs into. Conjugate the following verbs or conjugate the following root to be the complete verbs. Okay, conjugate the following roots. Exactly, it should be root to be the complete verbs. Root the following root to be the complete verbs. To be the complete verbs, okay? Conjugate the following root to be the complete verb. What's the root here? Titha root. Titha root to what? Do you know the meaning? Titha root to what? What's the meaning of this root? To. This is the first thing you have to know. But in terms of conjugate, it's not important. It's not too much important to know the root, to know the meaning of the root, because it's focused on conjugation of the roots, right? But here I would like to tell you where the root means. Where this root mean? To stand, right? Yeah, to stand. This root to stand. The ahara roots just now passed, right? To brings. To brings. Punsha root to
eat,
to eat. Wasa root to leave. To leave. The term, the Pali term vasa, right? You see from this one, vasa, to leave. Vasa, to leave. Okay, now know the meaning of the root, then all of you can conjugate according to conjugate the same paja, right? To cook. Conjugate the same paja to cook, because this root and in a, right? And in a. Wow, the same paja. Decline the same as paja root to cook. To cook. Decline the same paja to cook. Pajanti, this one, tithati, tithanti, right? Tithasi, second person, tithasi, tithatha. Okay. First person, tithami, tithama. Tithama. Okay, again, third person, third person, singular plural, tithati, tithanti. Second person, tithasi, tithatha. First person, tithami, tithama. See, just only the spelling of the term, be careful, because it's from the third groups, ta and tha. Third groups, ta and tha. Ta, tha, tatana. Ta, tha, tatana, you see. This one from the second group. Ja, sha, shachaya, you see, ya and cha. Ya and cha from the second groups. From the same group, you see, ya and cha. Ja, sha, shachaya, punsha. Okay, decline what's sorry, decline. Conjugate the root what's to be the complete verb. What's third person, singular plural, wasati, wasanti. Second person, wasasi, wasatha, wasami, wasama. He wasati, he wasati, he wasati. What's translation? Oh, sorry. So wasati. What is translation? So wasati.
He leaves ค่ะ
He leaves, singular. Plural, te wasanti. Right? Te wasanti. They leave. Second person, tavam wasasi. Tavam wasasi. Thou leave. Thou leave, singular. Thou singular. Thou singular, to be separated from you. Thou show singular. And plural, tumhe wasanti. Tumhe wasatha. Tumhe wasatha. You leave. You leave. Tumhe wasatha. You leave. First person, aham wasami. I leave. Aham wasami. I leave. Mayam wasama. We leave. Mayam wasama. We leave. Okay. Translation to English. This already translate. Also translate. Only this one not translate. The third one. Oh, sorry, the fourth one. Aham tipam aharami. Aham tipam aharami. Ararut.
I bring something
I
I bring
Bring the
lamb.
light.
bring
I bring
what?
the lamb.
I bring
Bring
the
lamb.
lamb. How many lamb? One lamb, right? Okay.
Yes, one.
I bring the lambs. I bring the lambs. Okay, this is the translation to English. Next. Okay, now welcome to again headaches. Okay. Welcome again to be headache. Ati Tagala, past tense. Ati Tagala, past tense. The most important thing, the learners must remember the case endings of Ati Tagala, past tense. 6 case endings of past tense. 6 case endings of past tense. This is the learners must learn by heart. What they are. Third persons. See the third person. See. Sorry, that's it. E. Third person singular. E. Third person case ending. Singulars. Plural. Imsu. E. Imsu. E. Imsu. Okay. Try to remember. Sometimes E can reduce to be E in the sentence sometimes. Reduce E to be E. Sometimes reduce E to be E. Sometimes. Okay. In the sentence, sometimes E can reduce to be E. From E long sound, right? E vowel to E vowel. Long vowel to short vowel. Okay, remember E, imsu, the third person's case ending of past tense. The second person's of the case ending of the second persons of the past tense. Singular. O, plural. How to read this one? Ta, ta. Okay. Ta, ta. Ta, ta. Sometimes ta, this one, the end of the root. Sometimes at the end of the root, sometimes drop vowels. Drop vowel. For some root, okay? For some root, drop vowels. Some root cannot, particularly to the root end with other vowel. End with other vowel, for example, whole root, right? Whole root we have learned before, to become. When it becomes this one, cannot drop wow, you see. So that's why I said for some root cannot drop wow, but almost the root end with can drop wow. Drop wow. Drop vowel. The root end with other vowel cannot drop. Okay, this is the case ending of the past tense, second person, singular, plural. All of you have to remember o tata, o tata, o tata. Sometimes drop vowels at the end of the root. First persons. The case ending of the first persons. Singular, plural, maha, maha. For some roots and for some root that end with always drop vowels. The root end with always drop vowels. The root end with o cannot. This one cannot. The root end with o cannot. Okay, I will show you the next presentation how it's conjugate to be the complete verbs. How the root conjugate according to cases and case endings of the past tense to be the complete verbs. Let's see together. Okay, this one. The same root, okay? Example, the same root here. Pacha root. The same root that already conjugate at the present tense. In the present tense. In the past tense, the root pacha to cook ending in e, third persons, singular, imsu, third person plural, o singular, second person, ta, second person plural, first person singular, and maha, second person plural. Don't forget to put e, okay, here for this. Second person plural, first person plural, don't forget to put e. Okay. Put e at the end of the root end with a vowel or a sound. Okay. Just the root end with a. Okay, let's conjugate together. First persons, pacha root, So, apachi or apachi, you see, it's reduced. Sometimes it's reduced from E to E. Is available. Where you see? Is always drop before roots, before verbs. Always drop before verbs, before a verb in the past tense. In the past tense or atita kala, always drop acts. Always drop drop before the complete verbs, also to show the past tense. This also to show the meaning of the past tense or the atita kala, the past tense. That means already done. To show it's already done, already passed. In terms of here, it's like the prefix according to English grammar, right? Like a prefix, put a prefix before verbs. Prefix or in Pali is called upasakha, right? Put a prefix before a verbs. Become apachi, apachi. Reduce E to E. He cooks. He cooked. This means he already cooked. He cooks. This is simple past sentence, okay? Simple past sentence. No perfects. No perfects. Only this one show the past no perfect sentence according to English grammar. In Pali, only this one. Only this one. No more factors to show the perfect one. No more. In Pali, enough this one. So according to English, it's available both past and available both simple past and perfect past. Simple past and perfect past sentence. Plural. Te apachum. Te apachum or te apachimsu. Te apachumsu. Imsu, right? Imsu. Case endings of the third person verbs. Te apachimsu. They cooks. They cook. Okay, this is the third persons. The verb, the past sentence of verbs or the verbs of the past sentence. Second, the verb of the second sentence. The verbs, not the second sentence. The verb of the second person, not sentence. Verb of the second persons. Tvam, ampacho, right? O case ending of the second person. This one, right? Ampacho, tvam apacho. When you see O, it shows tvam. Sometimes no need to put tvam, just only O enough. Apacho, no tvam. Leave as understood because O show tvam, right? O show tvam, O show the second person, subject of the second person, tvam. Translation. Found this cook. Where this cook come from? This is the old fashion or old English. Old English. Usually it's come with this one. Down this. Down this. Come with this one. Down this old fashion or old language. Or we can say that this language based on the English or this language usually used in the English literature. English literature วรรณคดีอังกฤษ English literature usually use this one. English literature because it's old fashioned or old language. Down this cook. Down this cook. Okay, this is plural or singular. Plural ตุมเหอัปปจิตถะ You see it. Drop it. ตุมเหอัปปจิตถะ ตุมเหอัปปจิตถะ You cook. You cook. This one cannot translate as you to make it different from the plural forms. To make it differentiate a plural forms, okay? If we put all you here, you see, you, this one also you, singular you, plural you, plural you, singular you, this you, this you of translation may make the learner, the reader confused. Which you belong to singular, which you belong to plural, confused. So, in the translation, in a form of translation must be this one, down, this, or you this one, down this cook, down this cook. In Pali term, clearly ḍŭဉng, right? In Pali term, singular ḍŭဉng. But in the translation, may make the learner, the reader confused. It must be down this. Okay, let's go to the first persons. First person of the present of the past tense. Present tense as first person of the past tense อดีตกาล Aham อัปปจิม Aham อัปปจิม Aham อัปปจิม I cook. I cook. Mayam อัปปจิม 5 drop it. Okay, don't forget at all. Drop it before maha. For the root end with a. End with a here is pajak, right? Pajak root. End with a. Mayam อัปปจิม 5 Mayam we อัปปจิม 5 cook. We cook. We cook. Okay, try to practice by yourself. Okay, this one. Practice by yourself in your mind. So, appaji, third person for the past tense, third person singular, appaji or appaji, he cooked. They appachum, they appachimha, they cook. Second person singular, plural, ḍŭဉng appajo, down this cook. Tum he appachita, you cook. First person, aham appachim, I cook. Mayam appachimha, we cook. Mayam appachimha, we cook. Okay, difficult. Try to practice this again and again and again. This one. Among the three ten, right? Three kala. Vartamana kala, present tense. Atita kala, past tense. Anakata kala, future tense. The present tense. The present tense easily more than the second and the third tense. Easily more than past tense and future tense. Okay, all of these verbs similarly conjugate. Similarly conjugate the root ประจักษ์ Similarly conjugate the root ประจักษ์ Okay, which one all of you need I conjugate for you first as the example? Which root? Kacha, kata, hara, hara, kanha, kara, saya, ajara. Which one? All of you need I conjugate for you as example. All clear, right? No point, all clear. Which root thing difficult for you to conjugate?
past tense ค่ะ
Which one? Adele, which one? Kanha or kata or which one? Difficult all. Oh my goodness. Okay, we show you as example. As example. Oh, I see. Hara, carry, not lead. Okay. Hara, carry. Hara, carry. Hara, carry. Put right? Put hara, to bring. You see? From carry to bring. Put prefix or upasakha. Upasakha or prefix from the root to carry become bring. You see? Become brings. We just passed this root now, right? All of you can understand as ahara roots. Never mind, okay? Ahara root, but exactly from the prefix or upasakha. The exact root is hara root. Hara root. This is the original roots, hara roots. No ahara root, but yes, you can understand as ahara root for you, okay? To help all of you easily understand.
อาจารย์คะ
Yes.
แล้ว so if อาหาระ past tense we need to put in front of อาหาระเหรอคะ
Which one?
อาหาระ to bring
Yes.
so if it turns to be past tense so it will be อาหาระ
Same hara. What the hara conjugate ahara also conjugate the same. See the hara, right? Hara. Third person hari. Ahari, right? Ahari. Aharum, right? Right?
อินสุ
Imsu.
อาหาร
Aharimsu. See? Aharimsu. I mean, okay, not this prefix, but put in the past tense before any verbs. Sorry, before any roots. Ahari, aharim. Aharum, aharimsu. This is the third person. The second person, aharo, you see, right?
yes
Okay, sending aharo, aharita. Aharita. You can check from the 6 case ending of the past tense. Aharo, aharita. First person, aha, aha, rim, right? Aha, rim, aha, rim ha. Aha, rim ha. Im maha, right? Aha, rim ha. See? See?
อาหาร
Third persons. The third person.
อ่ะ
Okay, again.
อาจารย์ may I make sure again so if we gonna use carry or bring so if I will use like they brought so I use they harum is that correct
They what? Rum
เอ
rum.
อารุ่ง
they harum
They ha rum. Third person, right? Plural.
third person plural yeah they brought
อืม
so they harum
Yes, also correct. Also
the
correct. Sometimes, yes, again, sometimes there is a drop before the root or drop before the verb. Like a apa ji, right? Apachum, right?
อืม
Apachum, apachim su. Apachum, the terms are right. This one.
อาจารย์
You
so
see?
is important or not นะคะ
Yes, for some roots is important, like paja, apachum, right? Apachum, this one, and then harum, you said, right? Room.
อาหารุ่ม อาหาริมสุ
As the Del said, harum, this one, right? In the book that you mentioned, right? Harum. This one, you means no this one, right? You mean no this one, right? In that book. In the book that you show now. Right? You know some in terms of here's in terms of here for some root at the terms like this one, you see
การะอากาสะ
akasi exactly is from this root from kara to be kasa and at you see become agasa can conjugate as agasi third person, right? Agasi agasimsu second person agaso second person plural agasitha see agasitha first person plural singular agasim you see agasimha you see this one also aga you see agasum okay
ตีกะ
agasum see apachum agasum case ending of the third person plural this one also plural of the third person so you see drop right these two root these two will drop you see drop but for some root no need to drop no need to drop like the del arts right this one harum or harum this one harum or harum is always both or without Harum, aharum, you see. Harum, aharum. Okay, let me show you. Except this one, right? No need to put because it's already here. Achara, this is achara. Achara, this is a verb. No need to put you see. What I said for some root have to put some root need to put this one already this one also already Third person achari or achari, right? Achari, third persons. Singular. Plural. Acharum. Acharum. Acharimsu. Acharum. Acharimsu. Plural. Second person. O, right? Acharo, you see. Singular O, acharo. Plural. Tatha. Drop E, right? Acharitha. Acharitha. Travel. First persons. Im and Maha, right? Acharim, you see. Singular acharim. For plural, must drop E after here, right? Become acharimha.
Acharim.
I travel. We travel. See. Easy or difficult? Past tense. Anupon become headache now.
Yes, Ajahn. 2 days ago, I went to Dhammakaya to take some book.
Yes. For Thai, for Myanmar, there is a Myanmar English grammar, Pali grammar, and Thai Pali grammar. You can take that one. But what I teaching all of you using the Sri Lanka Pali grammar, Sri Lankan's Pali grammar, mixed with Thai grammar, mixed with Thai Pali grammar. It's mixed together. The Thai, because the Thai, Thai, there is no English. Thai Pali grammar, there is no translate to English. No one translate to English. Thai Pali grammar, no one translate to English. Now the English translation or the Pali grammar in the English form only from Sri Lanka or come from Sri Lanka. We can see in the Sri Lankan form only. There is no in the translation in Thai or the translation to English from the Thai Pali grammar. Okay, which one all of you would like to see again for the conjugation of the verbs? Which one you want to see again?
Hatha, Ajahn. Hatha.
Hatha together. Hatha together. Okay, third person. Athati, athati.
Athati.
Athati, athati. Atha, right?
Atha. Tung.
Athati, athati. Araji, singular, plural. Athatum, athatimsu.
Atimsu.
Athatimsu.
Atha.
Plural. Second person. Athato.
O.
Athato. Or sometimes see tato. Sometimes can see tato. Or athato. Athato. Singular, plural. Atha.
Tissa. Titha.
Athatitha. Tatha, right?
Titha.
Tatha. Athatitha.
อาทิตย์
तुम्हे आठठिठा you gave okay first person อาทะทิม
อาทัต
อาทิมอาหัมอาททิมอาหัมอาททิม
อาหังอาทัตชิม
plural อาทะ
อาทัตทิมหา
ทิมห้าอาทะทิมห้ามาย้ำอาทะทิมห้า we gave
ผมเห็น
มาย้ำอาทะทิมห้า we gave โอเคอนุพร which one more all of you need to see
understood อาจารย์
which ones more root you need to see the conjugation of which of its conjugations
การหาค่ะ
kanha to cook third person akhanhi
อาคันหิ
โอเค
หิ
akhanhi
อาคันหิ
plural akhanhum akhanhimsu
หุ่ม
akhanhum akhanhimsu second person akhanho
คัน
akhanho akhanho plural akhan หิต
คันหิทะ
akhanhita
คันหิต
first person akhan akhanhim
อาคันหิม
akhanhim and then last one akhanhimha 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 see the past tense conjugation when we conjugate it or conjugate any verbs all four parts concerned, right? All four parts connected. For example, atati, atachi. What is its tense? What is its tense?
past
Past tense. What is its voice?
อี
active
Active voice, not passive voice. What's about its number? Its number?
third person ค่ะ
Numbers number is a third person. Number, sorry, not person, number.
singular
Singular, right? You see? E
อี
or E, right? Singular.
ครับ
E or E, singular. Imsu, plural, right? This is number, singular. What about it? Persons?
third person
It showed third person, you see? All four part concepts. All four part concepts.
อาจารย์ how to pronounce นะคะ
จำ
อา
เอา
ทาทาอิ
Pronounce.
ค่ะ
Ti, atati, nota, ta root, you see? Ta root, not ta root, okay? Ta root. All short sound, no long sound. Ta short sound, not long sound. อาทัตทีอาทัตทิอาทัตชิอาทัตทุมอาทัตทินสุอาทัตโทอาทัตทิฏฐะอาทัตทิมอาทัตทิมห้า See
good.
The first one, akachi, akachi. You see? This one. Akachi, akachi, akachum, akachumsu. Akachumsu, sorry. Akachumsu. Akacho, second. Akachita. Akachita. First person, akachim. Akachimha. In terms of the third person, akat, right? Plural, akat. Akachum, right? Akachum and akat chim. So, akat chimsu. Usually foul use this one. Foul use in many places use this one. Akat chimsu. Sometimes, foul this one. Sometimes akachum foul, but not usually. Not usually fouls. Akachum. Usually foul this one, or usually use this one. Akachimsu. Akachimsu. Okay, what time is this now? Oh, time for lunch. Okay, for the past tense Atitakala. Past tense Atitakala. Afternoon, okay, see, we will focus on future tense. Anakatakala. Okay. We will back to the future. Afternoon. Afternoon, back to the future. Focus on the future afternoon. Okay. Try to practice by yourself all of these. All of these root practice by yourself. Practice by yourself. Okay. For skillful practice by yourself.